Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do a basketball layup, step by step. First, dribble the ball as you approach the basket from either side. As you get close, pick up your dribble and take 2 steps. If you are right-handed, your first step will be with your right foot, followed by your left. Then, jump off your left foot, which is opposite your shooting hand, to gain elevation towards the hoop. As you jump, bring the basketball up with both hands, keeping it protected close to your body. This helps prevent defenders from swatting it away. With your shooting hand, extend towards the basket. For a right-handed layup, aim for the top right corner of the painted square on the backboard. This target provides the best angle for the ball to gently drop into the net. Now for the release. Extend your shooting arm fully towards the hoop, using your fingertips to gently push the ball. Imagine you are placing the ball into the basket, rather than throwing it. A soft touch is crucial here. It allows the ball to kiss the backboard and fall through the net. This controlled release increases your chances of a successful shot significantly. To truly master the layup, consistent practice is key. Spend time practicing from both the right and left sides of the basket, as game situations will vary. Focus on smooth, consistent footwork and precise hand-eye coordination. Remember, repetition builds muscle memory, making the layup feel natural and effortless. With dedication, you will soon be scoring 2 points with ease.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.